With kids or pets, some window screen damage is unavoidable. But with proper maintenance, you can avoid a lot of wear and tear. Today, our window experts are sharing our best window screen maintenance tips to get the longest lifespan out of your screens. At the beginning of each season, check your window screens for damage or large debris. You can easily patch a small hole or tear, so catching one quickly can prevent the damage from getting worse. If you see spider webs, leaves, or other large debris stuck to the screen, remove them to prevent damage. Clean your window screens at least once a year, or seasonally if they're dirty. Start by removing the screen from the window. Use a gentle brush or vacuum to get any loose dirt off the screen. Then wipe it down with warm soapy water on a soft cloth. Rinse with a hose on low pressure. Then lead it at an angle against a wall to dry. Never use a pressure washer or a high-pressure hose, as these can tear the screening. Avoid harsh chemicals as well. For large screens or those on the second floor, it might not be easy or safe to remove the screens. In those cases, you can clean the screens by tilting in the sashes on double hungs, removing the sashes on sliders, or fully opening casement windows. If you live in an area with harsh winter weather, consider removing your screens for the winter months. Remember to label which screen goes to which window and store them upright in a safe place. Sometimes life gets in the way of proper maintenance. If you think it might be time for screen replacement or full window replacement, visit soft-lite.com to learn more about our replacement window products and find a dealer near you.